Hello, today let me introduce to you the hardware configuration of our UV-DTF film printer. Why our machine is the most stable, best quality in China. First of all, we use Funsun main board. Funsun main board is best quality and expensive boards in China, with a set of Funsun headboard. Then the power board is also a high power 300 watt. Our lifting system uses the screw rods, T-screw type rods. Rising and falling. Our all-aluminum vacuum table has a suction function, with high-precision guide rails and imported sliders. Ensures very smooth platform movement, including the guide rail are all aluminum, to ensure its parallelism. Parallelism is very high. Our beams are also precision machined aviation aluminum parts, large beams after precision milling. Ensure its left and right parallelism and stability. Cooperate with the servo motor to ensure its parallelism. Here is a servo motor. The print head station is all aluminum products, to ensure the accuracy of printing. The ink cap station with all stainless steel material that can be raised and lowered.